So how to open a Lloyds Bank account online? So to open up a Lloyds Bank account online, it's very simple to do and it can be done within minutes on the Lloyds app. So if you need to download the Lloyds app, I'll leave a link below in the description for both Apple and Android. So step number one, download the Lloyds app and it will bring you to this page here. And once you're on this page, you simply just want to click on open a bank account with us. Then once you've done that, you just want to select on apply for a current account. Then on the next page, you'll be asked if you already have an account with Lloyds. So for the example of this video, since we're just setting up a new account as a new customer, we're going to say no, I'm a new customer. And then on the next page after that, you'll just be asked why you want to set up this account. So you could either be setting it up as a student, main account, or just an account you want to pay bills from. But for the example of this video, we're just going to say day-to-day spending. Then once you've done that, you'll be asked if you'll be adding money to this account regularly. So for the example of this video, we're going to say yes. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here, which will show you your progress. So you've completed the first step, which is getting the app. And the second step, you just need to confirm your identity. So for this next step, you just need to get some ID ready. So that could either be a passport or a driving license. So you'll just need to go ahead and take a photo of your ID. Then once you've taken a photo of your ID, you just need to take a selfie so that can be matched to your ID. Then after that, you've then completed the ID section, which now means you can move on to the third section, which is your details. So first up, you'll just be asked about your gender, and then you'll be asked about your title. And then after that, you'll just need to select which country you're born in. So for the example of this video, we're going to say the UK. Then once you've done that, you just need to select your nationality. So again, for the example of this video, we're going to say UK. Then after that, you just need to add your phone number along with your email address. Then after that, you just need to go ahead and input your address. But if you are at home, you can also use location settings and it should pull up all the addresses near you from there. Then once you've selected your address, you just need to confirm if it's right. And then once you've done that, you've then completed your details, so you can then move on to the next step, which is your finances. So next up, you just need to confirm what you do for a living. So that could be full-time, part-time employment, self-employed, or in full-time education. Then once you've done that, you just need to select what kind of work you do, so you can go ahead and use the drop-down menu to pick from there. So because we selected self-employed, it's going to ask us what our business is called. But if you inputted full-time employment, it'll ask for your employer instead. Then once you've done that, you just need to input your start date along with your average monthly income. And then you'll just need to clarify how much you have in savings. Then once you've done that, you just need to input where you pay your taxes. So for the example of this video, we're going to say the UK. Then after that, you'll just need to clarify if you have a partner or spouse. And then you'll just need to select your living status. So that could either be a mortgage, no mortgage, renting, or living with parents. Then once you've selected your living status, you just need to input if you pay anything for childcare or tuition fees, or any other maintenance. And then you'll just need to input the date you moved in. Then once you've done that, that is now the finances section complete. So you can now move on to the next step, which is about your account. So next up, you'll just be asked about notifications. So you can choose your preferences from here. And then after that, you'll be asked if you need any additional support. And then after that, you'll be asked if you want to use a switch service. So I won't touch too much on it in this video, but if you have an account with another bank, Lloyds will incentivize you to basically move everything over to make Lloyds your main account. But if that's something you want to do later, you can always say maybe later. Then once you've done that, you'll just be asked to choose your Lloyds account. So again, for the example of this video, just because we want a simple current account, we're just going to go with classic. But if you want to look into any other options, you can from here. Then after that, you'll just be given the terms and conditions. So make sure to give that a read. And if you agree, you can select agree at the bottom. Then once you've done that, you'll just need to go ahead and pick your username and password. And if you agree with everything again, you can select agree right here. Then once you've done that, you just need to wait for it to load a bit. And then you'll be given this new page here with your new sort code and account number. And it's as simple as that. So you can go ahead and log in from here. And then once you've logged in, again, there's a few more slides to go through. So you just want to get through them. And then you'll be welcomed through to your new dashboard here. And then you can go ahead and start using Lloyds online banking. So your new Lloyds Bank card should be with you within a few business days. So just keep an eye on your post for that. But that is pretty much everything. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.